It's Thursday, July 3rd, and we have an install today. Ooh. That guy's smoking some tires over there. Anyway, you gotta fill up the cooler with some ice. Got water. There he comes. It's his birthday today. He take this day off for his birthday. Actually, his birthday's tomorrow. Guess we're changing out that round one. It's nice out here today.
So that's where that drain comes. I heard that thing gurgling though when it shut. Didn't hardly get nothing out of that one.
No, I gotta change up a few things.
Okay.
My hose just broke. And my nitrogen's out.
Your hose broke.
I thought that was a new hose. Brushing the lines.
Here.
Gotta put these at the top.
I believe so. I'd like to try to get it behind that water heater. Put the new one for this one here.
Well, I ain't gonna say we measured, but we can see this now. I think we
Yeah.
did measure that. That was like 7 foot, but it's only like 6 or 5 foot outside. I'm like, well, there's brick.
Here it is.
Oh, you make it look so easy. Ow! Ow, there's still staples in it.
Yep.
I got another Band-Aid.
Alright. Are you good now? Okay. I want to go see what kind of mess I got my headache into.
Permit.
Okay.
On, Roy. You seen all them bikers get arrested.
I seen that.
Yeah.
28 up.
Fighting.
Oh, he was pulled up.
I seen it in New Smyrna.
And then they
Jumped off, beating each other all up.
the leader came up in the pickup truck and blocked them all in and came over and said some words. Then it went down.
Push it in. Push it in. Now.
Old Mike Chitwick was up there talking about it
We are not gonna have this
until next year.
till next year, yeah.
poke no hole. Actually, we'll take that plywood lay on the bush and use it like a sled.
Cut that wing off the end of it.
You know?
It's gonna be over.
You're lock that thing up.
Turn it. Careful, that little quarter-inch screw for you.
Let me do.
Let's just kind of see if we can shove. Hold on a minute. Think we can tie something and pull that back?
Or loose ratchet strap.
Not enough. Oh,
It's stuck.
Get me locked and put that thing on.
that's what I was doing.
Come on with it.
There it goes.
Just gotta see if we can push them bushes over because this side's hung on them. Even if we break them, they'll go back. It's right there where it is. There you go. A little more, Ryan. A little more. That one's got
Yeah,
to sit
there's a
right
whole,
there.
there's a whole nother
Alright,
branch.
stand it up.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There goes the sprinkler. Can we spin it? There we go. Just walk it. It's in there and nobody died.
Well, that was easier than I thought it was. Take a break. A little late to last, but we're not using that pad, are we?
No, it's on concrete. Actually, it wouldn't be that hard to put in here. Yeah.
End up needing it.
It's pretty long.
That did not go all the way through. If you could go in and pull that drill bit out that's in there.
that corner rail.
Oh, yeah.
That wire, liquid line. See that little vibrating?
That's okay.
I don't know. I might be able to. No. Why you wouldn't do a fitting?
Sitting too long?
Oh yeah, killing my knee. That's alright, I almost got it.
Vacuum, clean up.
Because Bruce is dominant, and now here's another dog with his marbles dropping, and
Right here.
then we trimmed out a little bit. Yep.
Yep, that'll turn out much better. Better. Gotta flip that one, bottom one. Yep, yep. All right, let me get right there.
Bam. I can get this one done.
Nice. Nice. So I got one more.
Kinda. I thought we were gonna flip that.
Not really sure where to have everybody, but
Well, Brian might
we
have
left the top loose, Philip, so we can wiggle it. Cause it's like close to fitting. Oh.
What's that? That new drain out in the back. Yep.
Nice.
Well, get your finger out of there.
Okay.
Alright, push platform back. Tighter. That's good. Alright, good. Yeah, so your platform top, it's a metal frame. It only had it's a U shape basically. So they didn't have it up against the wall. It was sitting on the little flimsy edge in the back. So I cut the drywall out so it would go all the way against the wall.
So that's why it was dipping?
That's why it was different. Right there. You won't dip no more. Yeah, see how I shoved it up inside the wall? So it's actually got a lip to sit on now.
They just got that water heater put in there too.
Well, that's good.
That was a beer.
Yeah.
Put that heater in. I'd step back over here. Ain't nothing right there.
Bobby, is that fine for that to be up against the duct there on
Yeah,
the left-hand
yeah.
side? Won't make noise or anything?
No. No, that ain't gonna make any noise. I'm still gonna shift it around. We just had that platform top loose so we could get it in there. The other one, we had to put over the refrigerant piping to get it out.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, I see gadgets.
You got your shirt? Oh.
Yeah. There you go.
You didn't put the heater in.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna be a fun one.
We'll need it up though. I guess the plywood is good. I need to pull out some ductboard now, right?
Yep.
All right, let me wiggle that.
Got some screws that went in this.
Yeah, I have everything.
I got 'em. I just need to.
smoker. Forward.
So Philip, I was looking on that AC thing I watch all the time. If you're not getting the vacuum down on these things, it's possible you still got some of the flush or nitrogen in the line.
Where you want? There's 20 3/4 up, just up and down.
Okay.
Or the other way. I don't know. I got blinded. Well, I got it a little tight.
So I plugged down and I got the water draining out of the chase pipe. So I heard from Allie that your belly wasn't doing too good.
That works in.
I got the thermostat on, programmed and everything. I guess, where am I at? Vacuum on this?
Yep, let that vacuum get good.
I need to measure it.
That's all we got.
I got some smaller pieces. Butterflies. Butterflies. Yeah, it's done now, other than
Put this up.
filling in
Over
this.
there.
Well, I'll let you do that. I might mess it up. I might make a mess. $130.
Brian, I'm gonna need that long brush.